Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon to everybody. I'm here in Germany, so I'm saying afternoon to you all. Welcome, welcome to Steady Investment.
Hey, this is Quentin Carson here with Steady Investments Club. Gonna do a short video for you guys today.
Yes, yes, everybody. I hope you're enjoying your holidays. Today, we want to share with you the process we go through with Steady Investment Club, how we go about our programming. So, we're going to take you from step by step what we do to program our system that is yielding at least 25% annually for our investors. So, Mr. Carson today is going to go ahead and share his screen and walk us through the process of what we do.
Okay, as you guys can see up here on my screen, Mr. P, is it coming through clear?
Yes, everything looks good.
All right, so you guys can see we have our currency pairs at the top. We're currently using IC Markets trading platform, C-Trader. I know there's probably a lot of people who are familiar with this. And on the side, you see my currency pairs, metals, so on and so forth, and Forex and oil. And so we're going to take you step by step. I'm going to open up an actual demo account. And the reason why we're doing a demo account is because, of course, privacy issues with clients that we have, just to make sure that everything is in order and nobody can see anyone else's account. We're going to take you guys through the process of what we do when we set up an account to yield our clients 25% a year, our club members 25% a year.
Yes, and please do not be a fool when we say it's a demo account. We cannot show you client's account or club members account. So we do have to go through the demo account. But everything we do is the same. The only difference is one is real, one is a demo. But before we put our club members account into full action, we do spend a lot of time doing research and going through a lot of different programming with our system to make sure it consistently delivers before we program with the real account. So make no mistake, this is exactly what we do with the real account, just like we're demonstrating with you all with this demo account. And Quentin, if you do not mind, would you please point to the account number at the top? Because we're going to come back later on to visit this same account to see the performance how it's doing in about a month or two. So if you please point to the account number at the top, if you put your cursor there so everybody can see it.
Yep.
And if they want to, they can even write it down for historical purposes. Or you can read the account number out loud for them so that they can write it down.
Yeah, so that you guys know it's 361-8386, 361-8386. So
and if you do not mind, could you also go to the, I believe is the transaction page so that they can see the date stamp. And as you all are looking at, he's pointing that's the date, how much is deposited. Please make sure you keep track of this because when we do come back to show you this account, you realize that this is exactly the account that we are demonstrating right here with you all.
Okay. All right. And I put up here, you guys, steadyinvestmentsclub.com. If you guys want to go there to find out some information about investing, how we do it as clubs, and also education within Forex and other financial markets, but mainly dealing with Forex. All right, Mr. P, you want to set it down?
If you go back to the, I guess, position page, and just to let you know, because of intellectual property, we're going to go off the screen for a minute to do our programming. And after we do the programming, we're going to bring you back and share the page, show you the same account number. But at that point, you will see some, some information on the screen, and you realize that the programming is complete. So for now, we are going to go off screen, do the programming, and then we'll bring you back to this account to show you after we have programmed the account.
Yeah, and Mr. P, before we get off, man, I think we should do gold USD, since we've seen a lot of stuff about that.
Oh yeah, that's fine. I mean, it doesn't matter what currency pair we do, but we can settle on gold USD. So that's okay.
All right, sounds good. All right, everybody, when we close it out, talk to you a little bit, and we'll program this account right back.
All right, so you just let me know when the programming is ongoing.
Will do, man. We talk a little bit about why Forex over stocks, and just so people understand, what they're getting into.
Yes, exactly. As we in our previous video, we've mentioned that some people they like trading stocks. Some people like currencies, but I truly do believe there's a lack of understanding of how currency or forex works. So a lot of people don't trade it, or a lot of people don't invest in it. And so I think it would be beneficial for us to talk about it a little bit today,
Okay.
to share some of the differences, the advantages with forex versus regular stocks or commodities.
Yeah. I mean, just the volatility alone, I think is what's helpful if you really know what you're doing in trading to trade forex. I mean, that's a very, for those traders out there who understand what I mean, and those who are new to it, it's okay as well. But just knowing that the market is going to give good up and down movement uh, gives you an idea of how much money can be made in this market if you know what you're doing. Not just traveling in one direction or getting stuck into a consolidation period for an extremely long time, or things external from the market causing price to shoot up or shoot down. Um, I think Forex is just overall a better idea to trade than stocks are.
Good point, because like you've mentioned, a lot of people, if you like to say, if you don't understand what volatility is, it's pretty much how active their currencies are, moving up and down, up and down. In a regular stock, when you go buy a stock, the movement does not really move too quickly unless there's a major news that happens to be about pharmaceutical stock that's waiting for maybe government approval. Most stock prices, they move very slowly before the increase in value for you to be able to make money on your investment. And so the currency market is more volatile. The prices tend to move quicker and faster than regular stocks. So for that alone, I think there's an advantage to be able to make money, because in forex, that's what you're looking for: the volatility. How quickly does the currency pair move up or move down, to give you that opportunity. Remember, the other thing you get in both stock and forex is opportunity to make money. And that opportunity arises when there's a lot of movement or volatility within the currency pair or the stock. So I think currency pair does have is more volatile, and they present more opportunity than regular stock does. Well, what do you think?
Yeah, I think that's absolutely right. You guys are gonna see here coming up with. I'm gonna go ahead. Is it okay for me to share my screen?
Oh yes, if you are done doing the
Yeah.
programming, sure, you can go ahead and share the screen.
Cool. So, are you able to see everything, Mr. Pierre?
Not right now. It hasn't come up
Okay.
on my side yet.
Okay. I'm trying to get everything to populate over. Sometimes it's a little slow. Especially I'm on vacation right now, so it's the internet I'm using is not the fastest. But yeah, you can see the stuff we have in there.
Okay, okay. So we do have a program. If you point, Mr. Carson, if you point to the number position we are in, and as you all can see, it's pointing, we are in 20 position, I think it says.
Yes.
And the system is programmed. And if you look at the bottom where it said balance equity, you see the balance is $1,000. The equity is reading right now at 994, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
And the margin used is 53. And our free margin is 935, I believe, is reading. And the margin level is 1700%. And our smart stop margin is 50. So, all right. And if you want to pull it up to see all the programming that we have in there, or
That's good.
okay.
Yeah, I think the main thing that they need to see is just to know that, with our free margin, this is how much we have that we have to play with. So if you're looking at the margin used on $1,000 account, we're only risking $58 of that amount of money that's in this account, but we're still going to yield 25% of the $1,000 within a cycle of a 12-month time period. Yeah.
That's a great point. And please pay attention to how much we are risking off 1,000. We're risking $50 to make you 25% annually as a club member, which is something that, if you look at risk to reward, we are not risking a whole lot of your money, but we are able to generate, that 25% as club members. And so I hope you all will enjoy this video. We will try to upload this on a live feed. If not, we're going to come back to visit this same, account number. And if you would please point to the account number again, so that everybody sees that it is the same account number that we opened up before you did the programming, and you can read the account number for them to see as well and to hear.
All right, you guys, that's 361-8386, 361-8386, and our account is already going up.
And today's date is for everybody, at least, my time is 3:57 in Germany. Today's date is 11/29/2019. 11/29/2019. So in a month later, we're going to be at December 29th. So we will see within a month or two where this account is at that time.
Sounds good, man. Thanks, man.
All right. Thank you, everybody, for watching this video. Come back to us within a month or two. If we are able to put it on live streaming, we'll let everybody know so you can, keep track with it. And I'll come back in about a month or two to see where this account is. We'll do a follow-up video. Thank you all for joining us. And Steady Investment. If you need more information, steadyinvestmentclub.com. steadyinvestmentclub.com. Thank you.
All right.
All right.